Our Federation Conference is a fundamental part of Harris Federation. People get a sense of being part of a movement. They get a sense of being part of something big and great. Staff work really hard in their local schools. They face all sorts of challenges. It's one time in the year when they can come together and celebrate success.
Amazing to actually see the work Harris actually does, not just on educationally, but also on welfare and social care and health as well. We need to understand is that education is not just going into school, but it's also a place of safety, but also making sure that there are actually appropriate resources to actually be supported.
When you're in your schools day to day, you can feel quite isolating, but to come to a place like this and to see so many other teachers who are passionate about their craft or about helping young people, it really helps us to kind of see the bigger picture and to learn new things from new people.
You're kind of this cog in a much bigger picture, but such an important cog, and how a whole machine has to work together. The outcomes that we get for our students, and that's obviously shown to us at the event as well, which is always very exciting.
Often once you start in a Harris school, you tend to stay within the Federation. Just coming here today, I've been working for the Federation now for about 11 years. In every corridor, in every room, you bump into somebody that you know. And it's really nice to hear and see what they're doing now, and they're all doing something really important and valuable. I think it's just so special to get all these children with a passion for music all together in the same place, and it really is like its own little community.
I've worked at 2 Harris Academies now, so getting to see my old students and seeing my current students come together was really lovely for me. They've made some really good friends during this as well, so not just the music, but getting to experience meeting new people has been really, really lovely.
My favourite part is to see every Harris school, all 55 Harris schools are singing together.
I've done Harris in Harmony before, but I've never done it like having a solo, and it just felt amazing, like the energy of everybody. I just fed off of it.
I feel like kind of inspired when I sung the song especially, and it gave me a lot of confidence, because usually in my before performances I was not as much confident as I am now.
You could be there in that moment and see when they do their thing without having to say, can we give them a round of applause? They are ready, waiting. They love it.
From the keynote, I think the thing that struck me the most and kind of almost had me in tears was hearing the figures about the kind of disadvantage and students not having enough food, and the ways that Harris is going about trying to combat it.
Harris Academies have had to try to step in, becoming, in effect, the 4th emergency service.
What makes this conference special for me is the fact that you can get everyone in the Federation in one place, hear the same message, and appreciate the size and the scale of what's happening within the Federation.
Nerve-wracking getting up on the stage and being recognised, but it's an amazing feeling, and it's a tribute to my school. Been absolutely incredible, and this award is for all of them.
It was really nice to see that our hard work has kind of paid off.
We're very proud of our school.
This actually just showcases what Harris actually brings, you know. This is a diverse academy with different range and skill sets.
Being a teacher is hard going at times, and when you have those moments like today, and you know, you got a room full of teachers, all different levels and support staff, and what I get out of today is just being reminded of just the community that Harris is and how everyone pulls together.
Every member of staff, support and teaching here will have taken enormous pride in seeing the confidence of those young people and knowing that's as a result of the work that they have done. Changing lives, making a difference, that's the point of this job.